Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joao. So in this video we are going to learn how we can create a label in Tkinter. Okay, so a label is nothing than showing text inside of our window. Okay, so the operation that we are going to create here, okay, or that we are going to perform here in this video will be, okay, how to create a label, how to display a label in the window like this. Okay, then we learn how to configure the properties of a label, because we learn how to change the attributes of a label, like changing color, increasing the size of a label, and a lot of stuff. Okay, a lot of examples that we are going to see in this video. Okay, so for that, let's go inside of our test editor. So we are here inside of our test editor. So this class is from the last one. Okay, so in order to create a label in Tkinter, first we have to create a variable called label, or a variable. Okay, so the name doesn't need to be a label. Okay, the name can be anything. Okay, for example, let me see, change for name. Okay, so for example, after that, okay, we have to call a class called label this way. Okay, label, open and close. So this one is the thing that is going to give us our label. Okay, so after we call that label, we have to set, okay, this label that we just create inside of window. Okay, inside of our window. So to do that, we have to do something like that. Okay, so Tkinter has something called geometry, okay, which help us to place the widgets inside the windows. Okay, so for example, here we are going to just use one of them, okay, which is called grid, something like that. Okay, so let me see, for us to show this label inside of our window, we have to call it, okay, for that name dot, let's use grid. Okay, I will open and close. So here inside the grid, okay, so this grid, it works something like that. Okay, so we have for this grid, we have to give a row and a column. So we can give something like that. Okay, so we can say, for example, row, okay, row equal 0, okay, and column equal, putting this, we are placing this label, okay, in a row 0 and a column 0. So if I save this and if I run, let me see, nothing will show. So why nothing is shown? It's easy. So here we just create a label, okay, but we didn't say anything. So when we create a label, we have to place it inside of window. So for example, we have it our window. So for that, we have to call our window here, okay, window, comma. So this way we are placing this label inside of this window. Okay, this is our main window. Save. If I run this now, if we check properly, okay, there is something here. After that, okay, we can give a test. We can show a test inside of our label. So for that, we have to call a property or attribute called test, okay, equal, okay, then since this is a test, okay, since this is a string, it must be inside of single quote or double quote. So for example, let's say name, okay, name, save, and if I run this, now we can say this is our label, okay, and this is the test that is showing. Okay, for example, we can change the name also. For example, if I say my name is Joao, okay, save. If I run this, now we can say the test is showing here. Okay, and see, we can also define the size of this div label. Okay, for example, if I run this, it's showing too small to see so that we can read. Okay, so for that, to increase the size of a label, okay, we can say, or not of a label, okay, of the text inside the label, we can do something like that. Okay, we can call something like font. Okay, this font can be equal, then we have to open and close. Okay, here inside, okay, we can give any font that is available inside Tkinter. Okay, for example, Arial, okay, Arial, and we can also put this font as a bold, okay, or as a normal. So for example, I'm going to put it like bold. Let me see, bold, something like that. Then I have to come it out, comma, okay. If I save this and if I run, okay, see, now my text is bold and the size is increased. Okay, but this way I didn't define which size that I want, but I can also define that size. Okay, for that, after comma, I can just give any number that I wish. For example, if I want 15, I save, and if I run, we can see now the size increased. Okay, if I want 20, I save, I run, we can see now the size is increasing. Okay, so this is how we can change the font, okay, of our label, and the size also of the label in Tkinter. So apart of that, we can also change the color of this text and also the background of a label. Okay, so for that we have to do something like that. Okay, if I come here, okay, let me see a comma. Okay, to change the color of a label, we can do something like that. Okay, For example, if you want to change this color to green, at least, for example, okay. But see, the first thing is that, okay, I'm just going to comment this line so that the background color of the window doesn't change. If I save this, it'll go for default, okay, which is this one. So for that, let me change. Okay, for us to change the font color, okay, we can do something like that, okay, like FG equal, then here we can give any color that we want, okay. For example, let me give green. I save. If I run this, now we can see the color now is green, okay. So in order to change the background, okay, let's see, comma. See, all those attributes, we have to separate them by comma. Never forget that, or else you are going to get error. So to change the background of a label, we can do something like this. I can just write, for example, here bj, okay, bj equal, for example, here, if I give white, I save, and if I run, so now we can see our, okay, our background just changed to white, okay. If you check properly, this is gray and this is white, okay, of the test. So, and apart of this, okay, let us create more, okay. For example, name, I can save, copy this, and I will write here another one, I keep here. So instead of name, I'm going to change the name to label 1. Okay, those also, let me change, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control, now it's going to do everything. Come here. Okay, for them, this one, okay, let's change also label 2, okay. So this will be label 2 and this one will be label 3. Perfect, I save. So this one is in the row 1, okay. So this come to row 1, okay, this stay on row 2, okay. See, everything start always with 0, 1, 2. So this will be the first, the second, and the third one, okay. So if I save this one, if I run, let me see, okay, we have here, okay. Let's change the colors of those ones, okay. This one keep like that, no, this one will keep like that, and this one stay green. And okay, now let's change green for background, and for color, let's give white, okay, white, I think make more sense. Okay, for color, let's give those things white, here also white, and we have green, red, and which one, blue, okay, blue. I save. If I run this, boom, we can see, okay, we change the background of our labels, okay. So this is the way that we can change the background of a label. So as always, I'll keep in the description a link so that you can go and see the article about how to create a label in Tkinter, okay. So from there you can see more examples about it and you can enjoy, okay. So my name is Joao and see you in the next video, okay. Thank you and bye bye.